Welcome back to Dealmaker's Den, where we don't just chase money, we protect sovereignty. Today, let's talk about one of the most powerful things they never taught you: how to not contract with debt collectors, and why it matters more than you think. Here's the truth: when a debt collector contacts you, you owe them nothing unless you agree to owe them something. It all comes down to contract law. Contract law says there must be mutual agreement for a contract to exist. If you respond incorrectly, you might accidentally enter into a new contract with a third party you never agreed to. Now they can legally enforce it against you. Never admit the debt exists. If you say, "Yes, that's my debt," you just reaffirmed the obligation. Demand proof of claim in writing. Send a simple, formal letter. "I do not recognize any alleged debt. Please provide a signed original contract bearing my wet ink signature and chain of custody from the original creditor." If they can't produce it, they have no lawful standing. Use conditional acceptance. Agree to resolve the matter if they can meet specific lawful conditions. Proof of standing, authority, original contract. Fun fact: most debt collectors buy debts for pennies on the dollar and rarely have the original paperwork to legally enforce them. They're hoping you panic. They're hoping you contract. Important: do not engage in phone calls. Always demand communication in writing. Keep everything documented. And remember, silence is not agreement, but verbal panic can become agreement. Final thought: contract is everything. Debt collectors don't want you to know this because their entire business model depends on your ignorance. Stay calm, demand proof, never contract under pressure. This is Dealmaker's Den, where we don't just escape traps, we build unbreakable defenses.